Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now.
Creamy broccoli soup. A smooth, creamy and comforting soup packed with the goodness of fresh broccoli, light yet satisfying. This classic soup is loved around the world for its rich flavor, velvety texture and nourishing ingredients. Hi, I'm Laddie and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for creamy broccoli soup. This delicious dish combines tender broccoli, sautéed onions, garlic and celery with a creamy milk base finished with fresh cream and a hint of black pepper. The result is a rich, silky, creamy soup with a mild, comforting flavor that's perfect for lunch, dinner or as a healthy starter. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious creamy broccoli soup. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. For preparing the broccoli mixture, take 500 grams of broccoli. Cut the broccoli florets into medium-sized cubes. Then cut the broccoli stems into medium-sized cubes. You will also need 3 medium-sized onions. Cut them into cubes. 2 stalks or 4 tablespoons of celery. Cut them into small pieces. 6 medium-sized cloves of garlic. Cut them into small pieces. 2 cups or 500 ml of vegetable stock. You can also use chicken stock if you prefer. Half teaspoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of butter. 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. You can use any other regular cooking oil if you do not have extra virgin olive oil. For preparing the soup, take 2 cups or 500 ml of pre-boiled milk. 125 ml of fresh cream, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil or any regular cooking oil. Step 2. Preparing the broccoli mixture. On medium heat, in an open thick bottom pan, add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, or you can use regular cooking oil. Then add 1 tablespoon of butter. Oil is added to prevent the butter from burning. Stir the butter and let it melt. Once the butter has melted, add the onion cubes. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. Once the onions turn translucent, make space in the center of the pan and add the finely cut garlic pieces. Stir everything properly. After a minute, add the celery pieces. After a minute, add the broccoli stems as they will need more time to cook. Then add half teaspoon of salt. Stir everything nicely. Let it cook for around 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, add the broccoli florets. Stir it nicely. After 2 minutes, add the vegetable or chicken stock. If vegetable stock is not available, then dissolve 2 small vegetable stock cubes in 2 cups or 500 ml of warm water and prepare the stock. Cover and cook for around 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, check if the broccoli stems are cooked. Once done, put the heat off and strain the broccoli. Collect the stock and keep it aside to cool down. Broccoli mixture is ready. We will use the stock water for grinding and the remaining for rinsing the mixer jar. Step 3. Grinding the broccoli. In a mixture grinder, add the broccoli mixture. Add little stock water as required for grinding, and the remaining stock water will be used for rinsing. Grind to a smooth paste. Our broccoli paste is ready. Step 4. Preparing the creamy broccoli soup. On medium heat, in an open thick bottom pan, add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, or you can use regular cooking oil. Add 2 tablespoons of butter. Stir the butter and let it melt. Once the butter has melted, add the all-purpose flour or maida. Stir it continuously to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. Once the all-purpose flour or maida has mixed in properly with the butter and changed color slightly, add the milk. Stir everything properly. Cook for around 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, add the broccoli paste. Mix everything nicely. Check the consistency of the soup. It should be nice and thick or flowing consistency. We rinsed the mixture jar with the remaining stock water and added it to the soup. Mix everything properly. Also add black pepper powder and stir. Now add half teaspoon of salt. Stir everything properly. Cook for around 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, reduce the heat to low. Check for salt and add if required. Now add the fresh cream.
Hello everyone. Do check out our new channel, Get Cooking Global, for some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. The link for the channel is provided in the comments and description box. Or simply comment Get Cooking Global and we will send you the link.
This soup should be enjoyed hot with bread, dash of black pepper powder and a few drops of lime juice. Delicious creamy broccoli soup is ready. Do share this recipe with your friends and family members. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.